Hi dear friends, welcome you all. And in today's video, we are going to cover Nazim Ezekiel, an important Indian poet, playwright, and critic of Indian English literature. In this video, we will cover important facts related to the life and literary works of Nazim Ezekiel and also his most important famous works in a very brief way. So, without any delay, let's move on to the topic of the day, Nazim Ezekiel important facts and his important literary works. Dear friends, first we will discuss important facts related to the life of Nazim Ezekiel. Nazim Ezekiel was born in Bombay in 1924 as a part of Bombay Jewish community. Yes friends, इनका जन्म मुंबई में हुआ था जो करंटली मुंबई के नेम से फेमस है एंड दैट टाइम इट वाज नोन एज बॉम्बे इन 1924 में इनका जन्म हुआ बॉम्बे के ज्यूइश कम्युनिटी ज्यूइश समुदाय के family में and he attended Wilson College in Mumbai and received graduation in literature and he died in January 2004 at the age of 79 years old. So this was the time duration from 1924 to 2004. This is the time duration of Nazim Ezekiel and in this duration of his life he had written many important works in Indian English literature. That's why he became a prominent figure of Indian English literature. Next, we have Nazim Ezekiel is an Indian poet who is famous for writing his poetry in English. Yes, friends, he had given English in Indian English innovative ideas and he used new techniques in English in Indian English literature. He had a long career spanning more than 40 years. Yes, friends, this was the time he written his works, he composed his poems, he written his plays, and he was also a critic. And during the time of the 40 years of his literary career. Next, we have he published his first collection of poetry in 1952, which was known as The Bad Day. Yes, friends, this was the first collection. ये पहला collection था निज़म एज़ेकियल का पोइट्री में जो उन्होंने compositions लिखे हैं पोइट्री के जो कि 1952 में publish हुआ है and that collection name was The Bad Day. Another book was The Dead Man was published in 1960. This was the first two books, two collections of his poetry which he had written. The first was poetry, The Bad Day, published in 1952, and the second was The Dead Man, which was published in 1960. Next, we have Nizam Ezekiel is often considered the father of modern Indian English poetry by many critics. Yes, friends, this was the title given him by the many critics of English literature, Indian English literature. This was given to him because he had used very common and simple themes in a manner that manifests more profoundly cognitive things and also realistic sensibility he had used in his poetic compositions in his literary works. He had used in modern techniques and also innovative ideas he had given to Indian English literature. जिस तरीके से उन्होंने मॉडर्न थॉट्स को मॉडर्न जो पोस्ट कॉलोनियल थॉट्स थे उस टाइम के ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ द राइटिंग ऑफ Nizam Ezekiel, he has used techniques, innovative ideas. That's why he is considered as the father of modern Indian English poetry by the many critics of Indian English literature. Next, we have he was honored with the Padma Shri Award by the President of India in 1988. Yes, friends, 1988 में प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने उनको पद्मश्री अवार्ड से नवाजा है, उनको ऑनर किया है बिकॉज ऑफ हिज राइटिंग स्किल्स, बिकॉज ऑफ हिज contribution in Indian English literature. Indian English literature में as a poet, as a critic, as a playwright जो उनका contribution था, because of that he was honored with the title, with the award that was Padma Shri by the President of India in 1988. And also he was honored with Sahitya Academy Cultural Award in 1983. So these two were the most prominent awards which was given to him, which was he was honored with these two awards. The first was Padma Shri Award by the President of India in 1988, and another was the second one was the Sahitya Academy Cultural Award in 1983. Let's discuss another important facts related to the literary works of Nizam Ezekiel. Ezekiel was well educated and he had a particular liking for the poetry of such as T.S. Eliot and Ezra Pound. Yes, friends, Nizam Ezekiel was influenced with the working or skills or writing style of the T.S. Eliot and Ezra Pound, because how they had used new techniques and also new thoughts in English literature. In the same way, Nizam Ezekiel also given the same thoughts in that manner in the Indian English literature, and he was very much influenced with the writing style of T.S. Eliot and Ezra Pound. Next, we have he was awarded a Sahitya Academy Award in 1983 and Padma Shri 5 years later for his contribution to Indian English writing. Yes, friends, हमने ये already discuss कर लिया है that he was awarded with the Padma Shri honored. He was honored with Padma Shri Award in 1988 and Sahitya Akademi Cultural Award in 1983. Next, we have his most famous works include Latter Day Psalms, The Discovery of India, The Third, The Unfinished Man, the exact name, and also Hymns in the Darkness. These are the important works of the Nazim Ezekiel. He had written in Indian English literature. He had contributed with these literary works to the Indian English literature. Next, we have his poetry deal with the themes of language and its powers and limitations, the craft of writing, religious skepticism, memory, and overwhelmingly what it means to be Indian. His friends, his most important works, what he had written in Indian English literature, his themes were related to the Indian themes, Indian sentimentality. जो Indian sentimentality, Indian की जो एक भावनाएं होती थी, he had written his works on that sentiments, on that feelings, उस sentiments पे, उस religious thoughts पे, उस superstitious thought पे उन्होंने वो works लिखे हुए हैं Indian English literature में. Next, we have he co-founded the literary monthly Zampo in 1961. This was the literary monthly magazine which he has co-founded. That was name was Jampu in 1961. Next, we have he became art critic of the Names of India from 1964 to 66 and edited Poetry India 1966 to 67. Yes, friends, that's why he is also famous as a critic or in Indian English literature. His critical works were The Name of the Indian, and also edited work was Poetry India. Now we will discuss some important literary works of Nazim Ezekiel in a very brief way, and later on we will discuss important works of Nazim Ezekiel in a detailed way in our next coming videos. Now we have the important poems of the Nazim Ezekiel. As a poet, he had composed many poems, and few of them we have here: The Couple, Enterprise, Time to Change, Philosophy, Island, For Elkanah, The Professor, Soap, Marriage, In the Country Court, The Paradise Flycatcher, Night of the Scorpion. We all know this famous poetic work of Nazim Ezekiel, The Night of the Scorpion, in which he has dealt with the sentiments of Indian superstitious thoughts. जो इंडियन सुपरस्टिशन एक अंधविश्वास इंडियन सुपरस्टिशियस जो रिलीजन में है यहाँ पे इंडिया के, he had discussed that very brilliantly through the description of a mother, through the pain of a mother. Goodbye Party for Miss Puspa GS. Entertainment was the best one. It was the best one of the work of Nizam Ezekiel. Background Casually, Poet Lover, and Bird Watcher. These are the important poems. Here we had discussed in a very brief way. Only title, name of the poem we had discussed here. And we have another important works, poetic works of Nazim Ezekiel with its publication date we have here. In 1952, he had written A Time to Change. This is important poem. Another is in 1953, 60 poems. In 1956, he had written the poem The Discovery of India. Next is in 1959, The Third. In 1960, The Unfinished Man. In 1965, The Exact Name. In 1974, Snake Skin and Other Poems, translated of the Marathi poet Indra Sen. And this was the work जो translation था मराठी poet का, which was Snake Skin and Other Poems. Hymns in Darkness in 1976. Another we have the later days Psalms, which was published in 1982. In 1989, collected poems from 1952 to 1988. An important plays and dramas he had written, that was 1969, the three plays Kolkata, Writers Workshop, and India. Do not call it suicide. Madras, Macmillan, India in 1993. Important prose he has written, that was selected prose, Nan Paul's India and Mine, and essay. So these are the important poems we had discussed here very briefly. Only the names of that his books we had discussed, his poems we had discussed here. In later on video, we will discuss important poems of Nizam Ezekiel in a detailed way, the summary, and also the content, also the themes of that poems, and also the dramas he had written in a detailed way. Till then, keep connecting with Englet Zone. Thank you very much for watching this. And also, if you're visiting first time friends, please subscribe this channel Englet Zone. Thank you very much.